Hello Philippines, hello universe, welcome back to my channel. This is your Madam Moonlight. Hi guys. This reading is for our Scorpio friends. Scorpio friends, is for you. This is a love Tagalog reading para kay Scorpio for the month of April. April na. So this is for our Scorpio friends. Hi Scorpio friends, this is love Tagalog reading para kay Scorpio for the month of April tayo. So, Scorpio friends, is for you. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing fine. Mag-shuffle lang muna tayo para mas pasabog. And please guys, mag-iingat po kayo lagi. Huwag kayo masyadong maglalabas. Tigilan nyo muna yung kakarampa. May COVID pa. Kung hindi kailangan lumabas, magsinang sa bahay. Lagi mag-face mask, may dalang alcohol, at mag-face shield kung e-eksena sa labas. Okay? So, please, mag-iingat po tayo. Ito na, mag-start na tayo sa ating reading. First card natin. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet sa aking channel, please mag-subscribe na po kayo. Don't forget to hit the notification bell para laging update sa aking every upload. Plus, if you want to purchase a personal tarot reading with me, you can communicate with me through my Instagram account, which is Twilight Tagalog TV, and to my TikTok is mon.sebastian. I always go live there. Like right now, naka-live ako sa TikTok. Sa mga nanonood sa akin sa TikTok, thank you guys so much for staying with me. I have 128 viewers at the moment, so thank you guys for staying with me. By the way, yung mga nasa baba po, naka-cut sila, so I will just pick it up and show it to you, everybody. Okay? Again, this is for our Scorpio friends. Scorpio friends, this is for you is love Tagalog reading para kay Scorpio. Nagiging rapper na ako, lagot na lang talaga sa akin si Glock 9. Ama! So, let's start now with the reading. We have the past going to the future tayo. By the way, Scorpio friends, ang daming kumakontak sa akin sa Instagram na gusto nila magpa-personal tarot reading. Available lang po ako every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Thank you guys so much. Again, Scorpio friends, is for you from the past going to the future tayo. The first card that we have is the reverse 2 of Pentacles. Kapag present si 2 of Pentacles, ang ibig sabihin yan, reverse, ibig sabihin yan imbalance, merong ups and downs. Merong kang nakilalang tao for the past weeks or months na nagpakilig, nagpasaya, pero hindi siya consistent. Nawawala siya. Kumbaga, today mag-hi, today mag-hello, tomorrow mawawala. Today mag-good morning, tomorrow hindi na magpaparamdam. Hindi siya consistent. But this person is somehow interested, pero hindi nagtuloy-tuloy. Okay? Next card natin is si 7 of Wands. Yung action na ginawa mo, Scorpio, sa tao na yan, sa nakilala mo, is a good game plan. Kasi parang ginard mo yung expectations mo, ginard mo yung emotions mo. Kumbaga, kung ayaw mo sa akin, ayaw ko din sa'yo. Neck mo. Parang ganun. Okay? Ginard mo yung expectations mo, ginard mo yung emotions mo, which is good, which is bonggang-bongga. Kasi gano'n naman talaga guys. Kapag may nakilala ka, huwag ka masyadong magbibigay muna ng todo-todo. Because in the end of the day, it's all about your love life that we're talking about here. So, hindi pwedeng magbasta-basta sa mga decision making pagdating sa love life. Okay? The seven of swords is present. Ang ibig sabihin nito guys ha, medyo tricky tong card na to. Okay? Kasi naka-reverse siya, pero it's all about betrayal. Okay? So, kapag ganito ang card, ang ibig sabihin nito, someone is very interested with you, pero meron siyang ginawang masama na hindi mo nagustuhan at hindi mo na-appreciate. Tapos, nung sinabi mo sa kanya, binalik niya sa'yo. Parang, ikaw nga din, ganito, ganyan eh. Parang ganun yung nangyari. The Empress card is also present. So, ibig sabihin yan, yung focus mo sa sarili mo ay nawawala na. Hindi ka na masyadong parang nakakapag-skincare. Hindi ka na masyadong nagpapaganda ng katawan. Naglo-look forward ka na gumanda yung katawan mo, pero nawawalan ka ng time for yourself. Mag-focus ka sa sarili mo. You're expecting to travel or to transfer to a different company. If you're expecting that to happen, it will happen. Okay? Nakikita ko na gusto mo mag-transfer ng ibang company. Nakikita ko na gusto mo mag-transfer ng ibang lugar, ng ibang country. Gusto mo lumipat, gusto mo magpalit ng career. May darating, may chance, may malaking chance. Okay? Next card naman natin is going to the future na tayo. What's gonna happen to the future, okay? The 8 of Cups is present. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Kapag present si 8 of Cups, ang ibig sabihin yan, you want to have a serious relationship anytime soon. Gustong-gusto mo na, excited ka nang ma-in love ulit, excited ka na magkaroon ng taong para sa'yo, pero hindi pa ito dumarating. Malaking factor yung pandemic, malaking factor si kumari mong COVID na talagang humahadlang sa mga eksena natin. So, kung hindi pa handa yung mga eksena, wag mong pipilitin, baka mag-positive ka pa. So, magstay ka lang sa bahay at mag-focus sa sarili mo. Pero, sa nakikita ko, handa ka na ma-in love, ready ka na ma-in love, handa ka ng pasukin ang serious relationship. Parang naisip mo ngayon, matapos lang tong pandemic, aura talaga ako. Ibibigay ko talaga tong flower ko. Talagang padidiligan ko to ng bonggang-bongga. Talagang ganun ang nasa isip mo. Pero, hinay-hinay, dahan-dahan, wag munang itotolo ang mga emotions sa mga taong hindi naman karapat-dapat ng pagmamahal natin. Okay? Next card natin is the Sun card. The Sun card is present. Something good will happen to your love life. In the end of the tunnel, in the end of the pain, parang all the pain that you experienced from the past, from all the sacrifices, from all the heartbreaks, someone will arrive and will give you the right amount of love, right amount of respect, right amount of harmony, of sex. So, sa mga Scorpio dyan, let's claim it, may darating na magandang love life para sa inyo. Okay? Okay, so that's it. That is our Love Tagalog reading para kay Scorpio for the month of April. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, this is your Madam Moonlight. If you haven't subscribed sa aking channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi update sa aking every upload. Plus, if you want to pursue personal tarot reading with me, you can communicate with me through my Instagram account, which is Twilight_Tagalog_TV. I'm accepting reading every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And nasa TikTok din po ako, Mon.Sebastian. Thank you guys so much for watching. You have a nice day. Ingat po lagi. Bye-bye!